If you've got a home staging service and you're looking for a professional, affordable website, you're definitely in the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to do exactly that, build a simple website for your home staging service. Now, if you aren't familiar with the MultiSites service yet, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So click on the link below this video and sign up for that free trial. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses, and we are adding more markets every single week. So let's go ahead and search for our market, home staging service. Whoops, I accidentally selected the wrong one there. Let's go ahead and try that again. Home staging service. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that option. Great. Let's start a few basic details about our home staging service so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my city and my state or region over here. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the MultiSites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's click on continue, let MultiSites work its magic, and there you have it. It's literally generated a simple website with the information I've just popped in. That photo in that image at the top is looking very familiar. I've got the exact same one. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone at all. They're very high quality. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of all the various jobs you've completed. Maybe you want to make one or two amendments to that content that was pre-written. Perhaps you don't offer all these services over here. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any website coding or be a web professional of any sorts. And you really don't need to hire anyone either to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top. Go ahead and pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that email address is visible on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. There it is. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. Now our address, our physical location, maybe you strictly mobile, but if you do have an address anyways, pop it in over here. Great thing about that address, when your customers click on that address when your website's live, it will automatically take them to Google Maps. Excellent. Let's go ahead and click on save and update social links. You can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, under the next section, if you have a business logo, go ahead and upload it over here. If you don't have a logo, you don't have a huge budget, maybe you recently started your business, do check out canva.com or Hatchful. Two great options. I've personally tried them myself for a free logo. If once your logo has been uploaded, if you want to make any slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames, you can click on that pencil over it. Otherwise, click on save, and on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller on the right. Great. Now with MultiSites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you want to change them, no color coding needed. Click on that paint bucket, bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. For each section you'd like to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Let's go ahead and close this box. Whoops. And head on over to update image first. Now over here is where you can browse your device to upload your own images if you have. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. Otherwise, head on over to the back to the photo options. You now have an option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those Instagram photos if you have a profile instead of uploading them all individually. Very convenient. Under update actions, where you can change that button text and where the button's linked to, can link to various places, as well as even uploading a PDF file for your customers when they click on that button, automatically download the PDF file. Under the About Us section, you can make it a little bit more personalized to your business, how it came to be, how you got into this industry. And in the last section, we have a lead generation form. Customers can easily reach out over here, put in their details. You will get notified by your registered email you have a new lead. You'll also find all your leads over in your Marti dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain, go ahead and click on the button at the bottom, connect your domain. You'll also have an option to purchase a domain if you don't have one already, to make your website look even more professional, stand out from all your competitors. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business. Really wishing you and your business Marti success.